Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure the TV has a usable USB port and that the SSD is formatted to XFAT or FAT32. Once done, back up any important files before formatting, because formatting erases data. Also, use a powered USB enclosure or a USB hub with external power for NVMe or larger too. 5 drives so the TV can reliably detect the drive. Otherwise, the TV may not supply enough current, and the SSD will. You now connect the SSD, insert it into the powered enclosure, attach the USB cable, then plug into the TV's USB port. Turn the TV on and navigate to the Media Player or Files app on the Bravia home menu. That is where external drives appear. Make sure to allow the TV a minute to index the drive. This helps the Bravia build thumbnails and recognize media files. Once the TV confirms the drive is recognized, browse folders and start playing supported video or photo files. Finish by testing playback of typical file types like MP4, MKV, and JPEG so you know the TV can read them. If the SSD does not appear, make sure the enclosure has power, try a different USB cable or port, and reformat the drive to XFAT on a PC, then reconnect. Once done, check the Sony Bravia firmware. An update can fix USB recognition bugs. And finally, if files won't play, transcode them to a TV-friendly codec. That resolves most playback issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.